Namaskar, खुश रहो बेटियों. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion and Interior, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Session name Fashion Model Drawing. Subject name Fashion Model Drawing. B Design first semester. What is fashion model drawing? Fashion model drawing and fashion illustration is the art of communicating fashion ideas in visual form that originate the illustration, drawing and painting, and also known as fashion sketching. It is mainly used by fashion designer to brainstorm their ideas on paper or digitally. Fashion sketching plays a major role in designing to preview and visualize design before sewing an actual clothing. Fashion illustration is a brainstorming of the design students when they don't understand the illustration, human figure, their shapes must be. They read the fashion model drawing in the B design first year, first semester, because without fashion illustration and without knowledge of fashion illustration, the student of B design are not able to interpret the design on their mind, and they are not able to work by the hand. So the similarly, like the theories of the textile, fashion illustration is important to understand in practically. In some we have some theories in fashion illustration: 9 head theories, 10 head theories, and the advanced, based on their body measurement or the illustration. Figure are developed on the paper, and the poses are developed: front, back, side poses are developed, hand, neckline, necks, face shapes, eyes, features are also drawing in the fashion model drawing. Fashion model drawing is the basic subject of fashion illustration and fashion sketching. Before understanding the theories of advanced fashion illustration, student want to know about fashion model drawing, and student must be have the knowledge of fashion model drawing. It is related to face, different type of faces, different type of eyes, necks, noses, lips, or standard figures, different age figures, boy figure, girl figure, uh, female figure, male figure, their uh, front, side, back pose, their leg poses, their illustration will be developed after the understanding of basic fashion model drawing. Material for fashion model drawing: HB pencil, color pencil, sharpeners, eraser, mechanical pens, markers, 11 into 14 inches drawing pad, clear rulers, markers, paper. This is the material list which is required in the fashion model drawing. After the understanding of fashion model definition and the material list, we will start the 9 head theory. 9 head theory is the basic theory of fashion model drawing when the fashion illustration was started. Using the 9 head technique to elongate the body for the fashion sketching, the traditional way of fashion sketching has always been to stretch and lengthen the body the human form in attempt to illustrate clothing. It would appear on actual runway model. Runway model are known to be a very tall and static. These proportions are translated on the paper by the measuring height of the body using the 9 head as one unit of the measurement. To begin measurement, each line about 1 inches, 1 inches or 1/4 inches width. Lightly sketches in 9 sections down the pages. It is good idea to start by the drawing one head to top of the another, and so on until you are reached 9 head in total. This would give you a standard fashion illustration proportion with current trend in fashion. We are beginning to see a much broader representation of body type. These more relatable body type can also be translated into fashion illustration as Well, it is all about developing your personal style. Fashion model drawing and the nine head theory is the basic theory of block figure and front pose. Basis on this theory, student and the designers are able to design figure in front pose, side pose and back pose. After that they will be start the work of shedding in the body. After that they will be develop and drape the garment on the standard figures. Advanced figures are also available after the nine head theory. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you understand this session.